What's up, lovely people? So today in this particular video we are going to see how to make a line chart in Power BI. So first of all, let's understand what is a line chart. So a line chart is a chart in which the data is displayed as a series of data points which are called as markers, and these markers are connected by straight line segments. So this is the definition of our line chart. So for making a line chart, we will require some kind of data. So the data set that we are going to use is a famous data set named as Airbnb. So in our previous video, we have been already used Airbnb dataset, and I have been already given a dataset explanation in my previous video. Still, I will be showing you the dataset. So the dataset will look like this. In this, there are many columns are present, like there are 13 columns, and we will be requiring only few of them. So let's see how to make a line chart in Power BI. So first of all, we will require some kind of question like what output we are expecting. So let's say we want to see like what are the apartment prices according to the neighborhood. So for this, we will be requiring two columns, the neighborhood and the price column. Okay. So I am going to drag and drop the neighborhood column to the task window, and the same thing I am going to do with the price column. So you can see I am dragging and dropping the price column. So it will give you a default graph, but we do not want that. We want a line graph over here. So how can we make it? So for making a line graph, we just have to go to the visualization pane and we just have to select a line graph from there. So you can see over here your default graph is been converted into a line graph, and we can increase the size of our graph like this. You can see I am moving my cursor onto the graph and we can find the data points as well. You can see it's into the increasing order, like for Queens and Bronx and Staten Island, the prices are very less as compared to Brooklyn and Manhattan. So this is all about our line chart. Thank you so much for watching our video. Stay tuned with us. Take care. Bye bye.